you struggling to find a home that combines both elegance and functionality? Don't worry no more. Let me introduce you to our listing of the week in Sauganash, Chicago, up in the north side, a stunningly redesigned residence that checks all of your boxes for your dream come true. Hello, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and I am your local real estate expert in the Chicagoland area. Today, I'm thrilled to present you a very meticulously redesigned and newly rehabbed home in Sauganash, Chicago, featuring a second floor addition. This residence offers remarkable attention to the detail and superb craftsmanship, making its true sanctuary of elegance and intention. This home offers 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2.5 baths. The first floor family room boasts a 48-inch gas fireplace with convenient access to the beautiful deck, perfect for entertaining, with 9-foot ceilings and an abundance of natural light. And its designer finishes throughout this home is nothing short of spectacular. The heart of this home is open concept living space, ideal for the grand entertaining or daily family moments. The spectacular chef kitchen is culinary dream, featuring a grand 117-inch waterfall island, double quartz countertops, ample cabinet space, slick floating shelves, a marble backsplash, and a premium Thor appliances package including a 36-inch stove and hood. The primary suite is a heaven of luxury with the elegant bathroom showcasing a mix of porcelain and marble tiles, heated flooring, Euro passing lighting, a walk-in closet, and a private deck. The first floor bedroom offers flexibility as a home office, study, or den, while the second floor includes a spacious laundry room and an attic access for extra storage. The fully finished basement features a 5th bedroom with an ensuite full bath, a vast recreational room with a wet bar, beverage refrigerator, and a second laundry area, and a chick powder room. Notably, the basement has been professionally waterproof for your peace of mind. Outside, the spacious 20x10 deck invites relax in the fully fenced yard, and a brand new 2-car garage completes this beautiful property. Embrace close proximity to top-tier public and private schools. You got Whole Foods around the corner from walking distance. You got trails, you got Sauganash Park and the field, local businesses, and easy access to I-94. Welcome home to your dream residence. And if you're ready to invest in real estate and find your dream home, give me a call and let me show you this home. 773-550-4846. I'm here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring you'll never be alone in this journey. If you find this video informative and educational, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. Like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.